So today I want to talk about how to turn your handheld PC into a Steam Deck. Well, technically it's not like into, but you will be able to use the Steam Deck UI thanks for this Reddit page. It's really easy. You just have to make a text file called beta and copy the highlighted text there in the program file, in the package file of the Steam folder in the program files. So after that, you'll have to right click the Steam and then your Steam icon and go to properties and change the task field and add the task field gamepad. If you're not sure how to do that, you can head over to ETA Prime's tutorial. I'll leave a link below to his tutorial, and that is a very awesome video, so I suggest you to go there if you are not clear about how to do that. So before I showcase how it would look like on a Win 3, I just want to tell you how to quit this mode, because I do see some problems when using this mode. Sometimes we got stuck. So for Win 3, we are able to map the buttons on the back of it. So I suggest you to map the short keys for Task Manager in order to allow you to leave that mode. This is just in case if you are stuck in that mode and you can't leave it because you can't see you're in full screen and you can't see anything to help you leave like this. In this situation, you may not be able to find the way to leave it. This is how it looks like in the UI. So it is a lot better than the original UI of Steam, and of course you can navigate the menu just like Steam Deck does, and it's even better than the big picture mode. So it's pretty user friendly because it is obviously designed for handheld PC. So I don't see any reason why not using this. Just be careful not to get stuck. So make sure you map the Task Manager shortcut so that you can leave this mode anytime. And I would like to give a special thanks for Keymailer for giving me a project key for Calico. It is a very nice game and I really like it. If you have been following my channel, you probably know that I have a Calico cat at home and I love her so much. So Calico is a game that you can simulate a magical world, and you are going to build a cafe there, and you can grab different kinds of animals as your pets and as the animals that you keep in your cafe. So you can also make cute characters and stuff. So if you are someone who enjoy this kind of fantasy and aesthetic settings of games, this is the game for you. So just want to let you know that there is such an awesome game, and my cat really looks like it, so I love it a lot. I'll leave some footage for this game here, and you can see how Steam and the Steam Deck UI works in on a handheld PC. And if you're interested in this game, you can also check it out. So if you're interested in this game, please go and support them. They have a Steam version as well as a Nintendo Switch version. I actually have both and I really love it. I didn't expect that they would ever give me a product code on PC version, but yeah, I did buy the Nintendo Switch version by myself, so it's really cute and awesome. So that's it for this video, and I will leave the gameplay here. And I am going to upload a video about the OTA update of Retro Pocket 2 Plus So if you're interested in that, please stay tuned and I will upload that soon. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.